Sending NDAs and getting them signed instantly doesn't have to be a complicated or time-consuming process. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to send NDAs and get them signed instantly, saving you both time and hassle. Whether you're working with contractors, clients, or partners, this method will streamline your workflow and ensure that your legal agreements are handled professionally and efficiently. The first thing you need is software that allows you to send NDAs electronically, collect signatures, and store documents securely. Now, I've tried all the most popular software out there, and the one we'll be using in this video is by far the easiest and fastest. In fact, I'm offering an exclusive free trial to the software we'll be using just for my viewers, so make sure to check the description below to get started. Let's dive right into it. First, upload your NDA document into the software. Most platforms support PDF, Word documents, and even other formats like Google Docs, so you don't have to worry about compatibility. Once uploaded, you can easily add signature fields, initials, or any other required information, depending on what the NDA needs. Next, enter the email addresses of the people you need to sign the NDA. Some platforms also allow you to add a message, which is useful if you want to clarify any details or explain the purpose of the NDA. Once that's done, you can send the document for signing. The software will automatically send an email with a link to the NDA, and the recipient can sign right from their phone or computer. No printing or scanning required. This is a huge time saver, especially for people who are always on the go. And if you're worried about security, don't be. The software we're using uses encryption to ensure that everything is safe and private. Once signed, the software will notify you instantly. You can also set up automatic reminders to follow up if the recipient hasn't signed after a certain period. This way, you don't have to chase anyone down. When the NDA is fully signed, you'll receive a copy for your records. The best part? It's stored securely in your account, so you can access it whenever you need it. Here's the key takeaway. Sending NDAs and getting them signed instantly is all about using the right software that simplifies the entire process. With just a few clicks, you can upload, send, and track your NDAs without any hassle. Remember, the software we use today allows you to do all of this efficiently and securely. To recap, here are the steps to get NDAs signed instantly. Upload your document, add the recipients, send it off, and track the status. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below, so you can follow along and get started right away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.